When I finished residency, I wanted nothing to do with owning a building or running a practice by myself. It seemed like it would be an impossible task. It took me several years in practice, however, to figure out that that was exactly what I needed to do. I was thankful to have a loyal base of patients who followed me 4 times from residency to my final landing place at Carillon Family Practice. I was also fortunate to marry my office manager, although we didn't know at the time that he would have that role. Dr. Chavez and her husband Greg reside in Trotwood on their small farm raising chickens and growing hay and native Ohio plants. I always look forward to my appointments with her. She shares time with me, not just checking me physically, but also talking to me about work, family, and life in general. When I see Annette out in the community, she knows me. She remembers my name. That has always been very important to me, to be a person and not just a patient, said a patient of Dr. Chavez's for 25 years. Considered to be the go-to person to get things done in the Dayton family medicine community, Dr. Chavez is a community servant. When she's not seeing patients in her practice, she can be found seeing uninsured patients at Reach Out Montgomery County. Dr. Chavez has also previously worked part-time providing end-of-life care at inpatient hospices. Dr. Chavez is extremely dedicated to promoting family medicine as a career to students. She has medical students working with her on a regular basis. She readily describes the great variety of diagnoses we treat and the many roles for family physicians. She will expound on the value of knowing not only her individual patients, but often taking care of 3 or 4 generations of the patient's family, understanding their social, personal, and family stories that enrich and educate us as their physicians and provide a strong framework for evaluating their medical needs, said one of her colleagues. As a student, watching her with her patients reminds you what a privilege it is to care for people and shows you how humbling it is when you earn their trust. She taught me a lot about medicine during my rotation with her, but she taught me much more about what it means to be a healer, to be a truly devoted physician, and to never stop being a positive influence in the community, said one of her former students. Since 2009, Dr. Chavez has been accompanying University of Dayton pre-med students on medical mission trips to Honduras and Panama. Dr. Chavez serves in many leadership roles, including president of the Miami Valley Academy of Family Physicians, a past president of the Montgomery County Medical Society, a board member of the Physicians Charitable Foundation, a past chair of the Wright State University Academy of Medicine, and a member of the University of Dayton Board of Trustees. She has received many awards and has been installed in the Archbishop Alter High School Hall of Fame.